Hello friends, welcome back, and today we are going to learn something very interesting that will help you in your assignments. Yes, we can get the text converted to the handwriting pattern, and the text to handwriting conversion can happen in seconds. Yes, we are all very much used to the typing right now, and it won't be a problem at all for you guys to type something. And if it is converted to handwriting, your assignments will become much more easier. Python has got a clear facility for it. You need to install Pywhatkit. Pip install Pywhatkit is what you need to do, and once it is done, small piece of code is what you need to write as I have shown in front of you, and that's it. Your assignments can all be obtained as a handwritten one right now. Import Pywhatkit. Pywhatkit dot text to handwriting is the method that you need to call, and inside that whatever you specify will be converted to handwriting stuff, and you will get it stored as an image. Yes, and here RGB is nothing but the red, green, and B combo, the blue combo, and you can get the values changed here to get the output color changed. You can make it 255, 255, 255, which will be white. You can reduce the value in between 10, 15, 25, something like that also you can do. I'm going to show you that as well, and it's going to be very easy to understand. Can we run it? Yes, we can run it. So it's compiling, running, sorry, interpreting, it's running. And once you get this, yeah, we got that. We can now go ahead, see if we have got the image file generated. Yes, it is generated. Shriram has a nice YouTube channel. It is excellent. You can watch it and subscribe and like. We got blue in color because RGBB is dominant here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it 0 and I'm going to make it 255. So it should be a different color. Shall we see? I'm running it. It may take few seconds. Let me close the previous window. So now you will get the result. Yes, you got the result. We will see it right now if it is all okay. As I told you, it's green. So RGB is working. So you can even give an intermediate value and try it out. This is very useful and very easy. Guys, don't write your assignments anymore with your hand. Type it, convert it. Here is what you have for you. Thank you very much for following the channel, the content. If you like the channel, please subscribe and encourage. Thank you.